Yes. Seven people. Let's see how many joins.
It's okay. matlab, Even if uh, this thing goes up on Twitter, YouTube also, so that's okay.
We'll wait for a minute or so, I think. Then we'll start.
It's it's okay.
Huh?
A
Or
couple of
seven
people
five.
said me that it's 7. What?
We'll start at what? 7:05 or by 7? Will it be okay?
I think 7:05 would be a good time. I hope you have put this on record.
Yes, it's recording.
Okay. I think we have now good strength to begin with. Let's see how many other people who join in.
We'll wait for a minute or so. We'll start.
I think, yeah, sure. Is this thing share screen is on? I think you can see the
Yes.
right. Okay.
Okay, so I'll start. A very good evening to all of
Uh,
you. Yes.
okay. Yeah.
Good
Yeah.
evening.
No. No. Okay. I'm just having issue with the share screen. Okay. Go
Okay.
ahead.
Yeah, so a very good evening to all of you. And
Good
uh,
evening.
so first, I would like to thank every one of you for joining us over here today, because it's a very great thing for me and for every one of us for doing our this session. And first thing I would like to say is, in the middle of the lockdown, I think everyone is confused, like how to spend their time in their home, right? Many of them just sitting with their social media channels or watching movies or something. So we at Rotary Club of NSHM Knowledge Campus Kolkata is here to help you out with something. So we are coming up with series of webinar under the name of Do One Thing Right. So one of the most important topic of our generation is time management. Uh, how we can manage time and utilize it as much as possible, right? Everyone faces this difficulty. So for sharing the knowledge and space with us, we have our guest host, Shesh Bajoria, who will be sharing his experience and his past, how he have come up with such like all good things, which I know. And as you know, yeah, obviously. Uh, so
Okay. We will talk this about that during the webinar.
yeah.
So yeah.
So many of them, I think, already know him. So he's also a TEDx speaker, a national record holder, and also is one of the youngest of his age to publish the article in World Economic Forum, right? And many more to go on.
Not World. I'm member of World Economic Forum and youngest to publish a research paper.
Yeah.
You
So
mixed both of them.
So now to over you.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, Mohit, for that confusing but warm welcome. Right. So let's do one thing right, because that was a name that me and Mohit were discussing for a long time. And you know why we named it Let's Do One Thing Right? Because around us, you know, a lot of things are going wrong. Of course, you know, you have been almost like our freedom of movement have been taken away, and
Yes,
you know you can't. Uh, yeah, so you can't exactly roam around. So we wanted to inculcate couple of things, and during this time that we have free time, we want to do start things. And since today also the extension came in for till 3rd of May minimum.
yes,
So of course we can develop couple of skills during that time. And to develop a skills, first you need to know about those skills, right?
very
And the one of the biggest issues that our generation faces is how do you manage the time, that how do you do so many things together, like with college, with other volunteering activity, co-curricular activities, with also the expectations of parents and friends and stuff. So how do you manage so many things? And we end up saying things like, या टाइम नहीं है यार, ये तो हो ही नहीं पा रहा, समय ही नहीं मिलता
yeah,
हमें,
exactly.
अब क्या करें, ऑफिस से.
Pura time
Okay,
like
so
we
before
did at
we
home, right?
go in, like this is couple of, I want to just a second.
Yeah.
Right, so this is couple of, you know, the do's and don'ts we want to, I'll just go through it very, we won't keep it long and monotonous, because of course everyone is in their chill mood, and you know you want to have fun, so we'll just keep it very short. We'll keep it very interactive. Anyone gets disconnected and has any connectivity issue, you have the ID password, you can join in.
Yes.
Any queries, the Zoom has a raise hand feature, or you can use that chat box feature. Just, you know, spam that chat box. Anything you have, any questions you want me to stop, you want me to repeat, if you have to talk to me about something, any queries, you can just use that chat box feature. I'll also keep on writing a couple of things there. And be it as interactive. Let's not make this a classroom. Let's make
Yeah,
it as a
exactly.
common, you know, a conversation friends are having.
Formal
So let's
discussions.
make this as interactive as possible. So yeah, we start with the time management. So while, you know, I was planning to do something about time management, so I searched on the internet a lot of things that what can we, you know, just a second. Yeah, so audio not audible now. Is it audible?
Yeah, it's audible.
Right, cool. So while I was, you know, I was searching that, you know, what are the things I can tell you about managing time. So I searched for a lot of, you know, infographics, pictures, that what I can tell you guys that it would be better for managing time. And then this is something, you know, remotely close I could come up with. But then again, ये सब देखने सुनने बोलने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि प्रायोरिटाइज करो, गोल सेट करो. डेली लाइफ में it's not very easy, right? I understand, because I am also the maybe a year or 2 years senior to you guys, but I have been through that phase which you guys are going right now.
It's very challenging.
Maybe अगर कुछ right challenging के साथ यार difficult भी हो जाता है with that resistance we have. So बहुत बेसिक सा चीज है हाउ टू मैनेज टाइम. इट इज 24 घंटा ही है, ठीक है, everyone has that 24 घंटा only, but the best way to utilize that 24 hours is, you first of all, what I do is I wake up early. When you wake up early, you wake up like 6, 7, 7:30 max, and the chaos starts at 10 o'clock, whatever be it, right? If you're not from St. Xavier's morning, the chaos starts at 10 o'clock. So you have that good 3.5 hours, okay, and that 3.5 hours give you a head start over other people. So I was reading a couple of books. So in one of the book, it was written that if you want to eat a live frog during your day, do it the first thing in the morning. That means अगर दिन में कोई सबसे डिफिकल्ट काम करना हो ना, तो वो सबसे पहले सुबह कर लो, ताकि पूरा दिन फिर आसानी से बीते, right? So that's what the benefit of waking up early gives you. So that's, you know, you need to wake up early, because when you wake up early, automatically your body gets tired up by 11 o'clock, and you'll sleep.
11.
And then you see your entire system of, you know, sleeping and waking up gets automatically realigned. So it's very important for you to, you know, sleep, not only I won't say early to bed, early to rise, but wake up early. ठीक है, वो wake up early से ना वो सारी चीजें खुद automatic it will start falling in place. एक बार फिर से बताइएगा यार. वो मार्क ट्वेन वाला था कि if you want to eat a live frog you need to do it early, first thing in the morning, because that means if there's any difficult thing in your day you do it right in the morning. Okay, so yeah, I'll just make you go through it, like set goals correctly, वो सब या सब जानते हैं, we have made it this far, मतलब हम correctly कर रहे चीजें, prioritize, set a time limit, take a break. भाई ये सब ना मतलब कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स मिलता है तो करते हैं. I'll give you two more things. एक है ना small target set करना, whether it be office, you're working in office or in college or you're studying for exams or doing any project, कोई article ही लिख रहे हो, ठीक है, एक स्मॉल टारगेट सेट करना शुरू कर दो कि अगर मैं एक पैराग्राफ लिख लेता हूँ फिर आई लिसन टू अ सॉन्ग, या फिर आज मैं ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर लूंगा फिर आई डू समथिंग, आई वॉच अ सीरीज, यू नो, आई वॉच अ मैच हाइलाइट्स या व्हाटएवर भी, लाइक मैंने जैसे आज मेरे लिए भी, तो आज मेरे को था कि ये सेशन करने से पहले ना मुझे एक चैप्टर कंप्लीट करना है, तो जस्ट बिफोर द सेशन स्टार्टेड आई वाज डूइंग द क्वेश्चन आंसर फाइनल. आई हैड दैट टारगेट की स्मॉल टारगेट सेट कर लिया, सेशन शुरू करने से पहले मुझे चैप्टर कंप्लीट करना है. So you have to do that, yes. Right? So your small target set karoge and then make, you know, those recreation things, those exciting things as a reward. कि अगर मैं ये कर लिया then I'll watch a movie, अगर मैं ये कर लिया then I'll watch, you know, I'll watch YouTube or I'll go out for a walk or I'll order something good, या कुछ भी, you know, there are small rewards you can set for yourself and just do it. So एक वो बहुत जरूरी है, स्मॉल यू नो सेटिंग टारगेट्स, स्मॉल टारगेट्स. वेकिंग अप अर्ली तो मैंने बोल ही दिया. एंड तीसरा सबसे बड़ा चीज है ना टाइम मैनेजमेंट का होता है, द आंसर इज डू यू वांट टू डू इट. द क्वेश्चन इज, यू नो, डू यू वांट टू डू इट. अगर तुमको इसका आंसर पता है यू ऑटोमेटिकली फाइंड अ टाइम टू इट फॉर इट. लोग बोलते हैं आई लाइक डांसिंग बट मुझे समय नहीं मिलता है. Do you really want to dance? ठीक है, that's a bigger question. I'm good at writing but समय नहीं मिलता यार, ये ऑफिस और ये सब के साथ मेरे लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. Do you like writing? Of course, after office you can write it. That has to be there. बहुत जरूरी है कि if you like something, if you have, you know, interest, passion वाला जो thing है in something, you will do it. So that's one thing कि you need, if you have a inner passion about something, you have to do it. So वो तीन चीजें हैं, पहले wake up early, second is small targets, and third is how passionate about you are about that thing. If you are able to handle these three things, trust me, time management is nothing but a myth for you. क्योंकि एक बहुत बड़ा ना लोग मुझे बना दिए कि भाई टाइम मैनेजमेंट कैसे करे, सीखना होता है, नहीं होता है मेरे से, वेस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. इफ यू आर वेस्टिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, वेस्ट इन अ प्रोडक्टिव थिंग्स. ठीक है, स्टार्ट वॉचिंग गुड यूट्यूब, स्टार्ट रीडिंग कोरा, स्टार्ट रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर्स, बहुत अलग अलग चीजें, स्टार्ट कनेक्टिंग विद पीपल. तो वेस्ट टाइम देयर ना जहाँ पे तुम्हारा मन भी लगे और तुम कुछ प्रोडक्टिव काम भी कर रहे हो. सो यू हैव टू, यू नो, पुट अ प्राइस टैग ऑन योर टाइम. यू जस्ट डोंट वेस्ट इट, यू इन्वेस्ट इट, राइट? सो दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. एंड हाउ डू यू डू इट? बोलना जैसे मेरे लिए बहुत आसान आपको लग रहा होगा. सो यू डू इट. एक क्वेश्चन है जैसे ये, इन सर का नाम मैंने लिख रखा है, he has been knighthood, सर डेव ब्राइल्सफोर्ड. सो किसी को पता है क्या है ये, कौन है ये बंदा, क्या उखाड़ा है? है कितने, ये भी नहीं देखा. Any idea who's this guy and what he has done?
No.
Okay, I'll take. Okay, no, don't know him, right? Okay, so this guy, he was appointed. जैसे Sky लिखा हुआ है ना इनके शर्ट में, आप देखोगे, the jersey is wearing. So, cycling team of Great Britain is known as Team Sky, and until 2013 they had never won टूर दी फ्रांस. जैसे जो कि साइकिलिंग का ओलंपिक्स होता है, जैसे ये क्रिकेट का वर्ल्ड कप होता है, वैसे साइकिलिंग में टूर दी फ्रांस होता है. जो नील वो क्या नाम है उनका, नाम मैं भूल रहा हूँ, फ्रांस का जो बंदा है. सो ही इज वेरी फेमस फॉर विनिंग दैट थिंग, टूर दी फ्रांस. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी coveted thing. Please also touch on how to connect to people. Definitely I will come on that, that's a part of it. So this guy, so he was appointed in 2010 as the senior coach for Team Sky, which is the national cycling team of Great Britain. And उसके पहले ग्रेट ब्रिटेन कभी टूर द फ्रांस नहीं जीता है, ओलंपिक्स में कोई कभी मेडल नहीं जीता है इन साइकिलिंग इवेंट. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, उन्होंने बोला क्या कि यू नीड टू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन द टीम. आपके पास टीम सिलेक्शन से लेकर टीम के एक्टिविटीज को लेकर कोचिंग तक का राइट है, मतलब यू कैन डू एनीथिंग विद द प्लेयर्स, राइट? So he appointed personal caretakers for these cyclists, for these guys, okay? And इनका एक ही फंडा था कि just improve whatever you do by 1%. If you are washing your hands, wash it little better. If you're brushing, brush a little better. If you're cycling, cycle a little better. If you're sleeping, sleep a little better. ठीक है, just improve everything by 1%. ज्यादा नहीं मांगा जा रहा है. अगर आप आज 10 पेज पढ़ रहे हो, कल कोशिश करो सारे 10 पेज पढ़ने का. ठीक है, तो जस्ट डू एवरीथिंग 1% मोर. रिजल्टिंग क्या हुआ, 2012 ओलंपिक्स में 70% of the medals were won by this cycling team, and they went on to win 2013 Tour de France. So the funda was very simple that this guy coined, and that was कि whatever you are doing today, कल कोई तुमसे ना stars और moons नहीं मांग रहा. All they are asking is just little 1% of what you were yesterday. ठीक है, जैसे आज ही एक बहुत अच्छा मैंने आर्टिकल पढ़ा था कि if you want to use 100% of your brain, start not 100, of course no one can use 100%, but maximum of your brain. So start brushing your teeth from the left every morning. That's a very little thing, little activity, but उससे क्या होगा ना कि the right side of your brain gets active. 10-12 दिन से ट्राई कर रहा हूँ and it's actually helping me. Okay, so ये बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं. Is it okay? I think कुछ stable का या नहीं कुछ. हाँ, so these are very small things that you can do. Just try to work little bit. 1% आप अगर कोई book नहीं पढ़ते हो तो go to a bookstore, look for good books and buy them. अब लोग बोलते हैं भैया मैं लेके तो आगे पढ़ने का मन नहीं करता. ओपन द बुक, पीछे पढ़ो, उसके आगे पढ़ो, उनके बारे में रिव्यू पढ़ो. ठीक है, गुड रीड्स पे, Amazon रिव्यूज पे, एंड सी व्हाट पीपल लाइक्ड इन देम. आपको खुद थोड़ा तो इंटरेस्ट बढ़ेगा. एवरी डे जस्ट 1%, लिटिल बिट ऑफ व्हाट यू डिड यस्टरडे. टेक अ फर्स्ट स्टेप, फिर खुद ही यू विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग एन इंटरेस्ट. एंड एक बार ट्रस्ट मी वो इंटरेस्ट आ जाता है, देयर इज नो स्टॉपिंग यू. सो दिस इज व्हाट द सर डिड, सर डेव ब्रैलसफोर्ड. Before moving, so I think about time management, I think little bit, अगर किसी को कोई doubt है they can ask, कोई questions है they can do it, because I just want to keep it very short. तो I think एक question था. Please also touch on how to connect to people. Yeah, connecting to people, लोग बोलते हैं is an art. I also agree it's an art. ये matter करता है कि where you are connecting with people. You are connecting with them in an event, or you're connecting with them while you are addressing them as a speaker, or you are connecting them while in your class. ये बहुत matter करता है. But for me, connecting with people is very basic thing, because until unless you aren't connecting on a very personal level, you won't be able to express things. ठीक है, two things in life, like एक बार मेरी मोहित से भी चीज में बात हो रही थी, and we were in a conversation, and I even said him कि in this world inherently human beings are hungry for two things. Some audience for them, that कोई उनका बात सुने, because उनको सब सुनाता है, तो उनको भी किसी को so कोई उनका बात सुने. It can be anywhere in office, चाहे क्लास में कि आपका बेंचमेट चाहता है कि वो आपको कुछ बताए कल क्या हुआ उसके साथ, या टीचर चाहते हैं वो आप उसका बात सुने. तो एवरीवन वांट्स देम कि समवन लिसन्स टू देम. एंड सेकंड इज अप्रिसिएशन. आप बड़े से बड़े लोग को अप्रिशिएट करो, एंड दे विल हैव यू ऑल ईयर to do. Whatever you do, you need to appreciate. But then again, there's a very thin line of difference between appreciating and sugarcoating. You cannot sugarcoat things. It becomes then bad. Appreciate, rightly appreciate. For example, I'll just give a very small brief. For example, if I'm in a networking session with a particular lot of people are there, and I just saw one of my inspiration there, who's a startup founder, famous startup founder, let's say Mr. X. So I want to interact with him, but again he's surrounded by a lot of people. So how do I do it? So just walk up to him. I just wait for the right opportunity where there are least number of people, and then I just talk about something which is unrelated to that networking event, but related to something in his life which is important. Since he's inspiration, you must know. Say for example, you can talk about, sir, I remember your talk from last year that you gave this college. That's particular theories have helped me a lot, right? So what you did, you appreciate and you told him that. So now whatever you say for next 30 seconds, he'll have you.
Yes.
So that's the most important thing. कि and second important thing, अगर कोई आपके level का है या कोई you know people very casually interaction, know their name.
Yeah.
If you know people by their name, अगर आप उनसे एक साल बाद भी मिल रहे हो, बोलेंगे हे आकाश how are you, let's go, oh you remember me. आप भले उनका सेकंड नाम नहीं जानते हो, आप वो क्या बोले नहीं जानते हो, वो कहाँ से आप नहीं जानते हो, कुछ नहीं जानते, उनका नाम अगर आप जानते हो, again you have caught them. So, see, again, most important, the two things you need to know. You need to, if we appreciate them, genuinely appreciate them. If you can remember someone's name, even though you don't know anything about them, trust me, the next time you meet, connecting with them personally, you need to know your audience. If you're addressing classrooms, talk about the things that you guys do together. If a crowd of students, बहुत mixed crowd है, talk about student life as a whole. So you need to, of course you won't be able to connect with 100 of them, but 90 out of 100 is again a good number.
Yeah, I have a question over here.
So with that, I think sound में कुछ issue है. I think अब मोहित sound ठीक है?
हाँ, कटता है फिर आ जाता है, लाइक थोड़ा ब्रेक होता है बीच बीच में.
नेटवर्क इश्यूज है.
But अब ठीक है ना शायद?
Yes.
Okay, good. So yeah, I think Shiva, I'll take your question बाद में. How do you handle stress? वो मैं आता हूँ. ठीक है. So now that you have managed your time, how to turn my passion to two things. एक होता है profession, and second होता है action. So जैसे मैंने बोला, ये of course I won't bug you with this. ये देखने में बड़ा लग रहा है नहीं. I'll take it very interestingly how to do it. Yeah, anything you write on the internet, such as Facebook, a post while you are ranting your friends and wishing them happy birthday, that how we stupid have been and stuff. So that is also blogging. To commenting on Twitter about supporting a particular ideology and particular wing, that's also blogging. To posting up an Instagram picture about a certain place, sunset fields and stuff, that's also blogging. It all comes under a very bigger blanket called blogging. And लोग बोलते हैं भैया I'm good with words, मेरे को लिखना अच्छा लगता है, मुझे चीजों को ऑब्जर्व करना अच्छा लगता है, उसको लिखना अच्छा लगता है. So if you're good with that, trust me, this field is for you. So blogging, again, turning your passion into profession or action. So first I'll go with action and then I'll come on profession. So action, anything that you feel, you write it down, is blogging. Blogging is writing a content of about anything under the sun. आप मूवीज देख के मूवी के बारे में लिख रहे हो, आप फिल्म ब्लॉगर हो, मूवी ब्लॉगर हो, आप खाने के बारे में लिख रहे हो, फूड ब्लॉगर हो, आप फैशन के बारे में लिख रहे हो, पिक्चर्स डाल रहे हो, आप फैशन ब्लॉगर हो, आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो, बस लोगों को मोटिवेट कर रहे हो, तो आप मोटिवेशनल ब्लॉगर हो. ठीक है. सो there's everything in this world जहाँ इसके लिए एक ब्लॉगर मिल जाएगा आपको. आप फाइनेंस, आप स्टॉक मार्केट एनालिस्ट हो, आप फाइनेंशियल ब्लॉगर हो, आप मेडिकल ब्लॉगर हो, इंजीनियरिंग ब्लॉगर, कुछ भी हो सकता है. कॉलेज रिव्यूज करते हो बैठ के, so as bloggers, बहुत सारी चीजें, there's a whole world out there about blogging. So अब एक क्वेश्चन आता है कि ब्लॉगिंग में भी फिर बहुत सारी सेक्टर्स होते हैं, बहुत सारी फील्ड होते हैं. आई एग्री, ब्लॉगिंग इज अगेन अ वेरी वास्ट वर्ल्ड ऑन इट्स ओन. सो इसके दो मेजर पार्ट है. एक है क्रिएटिव विंग, एक है कंटेंट विंग. क्रिएटिव विंग इज मोर ऑफ अ पर्सनल थिंग in which you write what you feel, in which there's a story, there's a emotions, narration. वो the creative wing. Prose, poetry, open mic is a part of that creative wing. And second part is the content part, जो कि SEO, content, articles, publication, news, journals, वो होता है. So अब हो गया कि ये दोनों चीज तो जान लिए. So how do you do it? यार I think visible है ये चीज. ठीक है. तो ये बहुत बेसिक सा चीज है. I think हाँ. So ये बहुत बेसिक सा चीज है, ये आपको हर जगह मिल जाएगा. मैं अगेन आपको इसे पढ़ के उतना बता नहीं रहा हूँ. दो चीज है बस कि ओके. सो दो चीज है कि पर्पस एंड ऑडियंस. आप क्यों लिख रहे हो, किसके लिए लिख रहे हो. अगर आप एक पिक्चर भी डाल रहे हो तो आप किसके लिए डाल रहे हो. इफ यू आर अ फैशन ब्लॉगर, Then whom are you putting that picture for? And that's one thing. And second is get your blog noticed. बस मैं first और last वाले पे जाऊंगा. Get your blog noticed. तो अगर आप picture डाल रहे हो तो how do you make sure people come and see it? So now that's the best way to kickstart your free time अभी, because the एक चीज एक बहुत बहुत अच्छा स्टडी था. I cannot share the source अभी. उसमें था only 1% of the blogs that get started make it up to the second month of their existence. मतलब अगर आप second month टाइप करने एक बार या फिर एक सेकंड होल्ड करना बस. I'll just get back to you. So अगर आप कंसिस्टेंटली सेकेंड मंथ तक जाते हो अपने ब्लॉग को लेके, so that means you have already beaten 99% of the competition. You are in just the top 1%, right? So that has to be there. Now question क्या था? How do you start?
Actually like ये 3-4 years पहले का बात है. I started blogging. मैंने at least every week एक ब्लॉग लिखना स्टार्ट किया था. I wrote how many blogs? At least 7 to 8 blogs. फिर पता नहीं, I don't know what happened. I left it. Exactly, I did this. Totally पूरा content बनाना, heading, everything, website design करना properly, सब कुछ, I think everything myself. Then after 3 months I left it. I don't know why.
So yeah, that is the thing. So I'll tell you एक है ना एक ऐसा fable है, बहुत अच्छा fable है. So a man went to this monk who was very famous 1900. He was, you know, famous for making people rich. So a young man like us went to that monk and he was like, with my thoughts and wise in my actions. So that monk gave that person a jar and is my voice okay? Yeah. Okay. So that monk gave that young person a jar and told him that every morning when you wake up, just write the day, which day it is, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, okay, and put that paper in that jar and come to me with this jar after 30 days and I'll give you a lesson. So he was like, इतना easy काम है, ये तो हर दिन ही कर लेंगे, इसमें क्या wise होगा, ये लोग मेरा मस्ती ले रहा है. And that person kept that jar next to his bed and he started writing. अगले दिन वो उठा, वो जार देखा, वो उसमें मंडे लिखा, वो मंडे लिख के डाल दिया पेपर में. वो नेक्स्ट डे उठा, वो फरवरी में उठा पर जल्दी जल्दी, पर उसको अचानक जार दिख गया, वो जार में ट्यूसडे लिख के डाल दिया. थर्ड डे he was partying late, he woke up late and then he just ran for his work. नेक्स्ट डे वही हुआ, उसके अगले दिन वही हुआ. तो 30 दिन में उसको मुश्किल से 5 दिन याद रहा वो डे लिखना. And surprisingly, वो Monday, Tuesday में से ही डे होता था. So that after 30 days, that man went to that monk again with that jar, and that monk said, "कि यार, you have not surprised me. In fact, you are better than other people who brought to me 2 or 3 papers. You at least brought me 5. So that is the fundamental problem with our generation. Okay, so we don't do things consistently. वो बहुत जरूरी है. If you have started something, you need to keep doing it. फ्रीक्वेंसी बहुत मैटर करता है. लोग बोलते हैं मैंने 4 पोस्ट डाला, 2 लाइक आया, मैं नहीं करूंगा, मजा नहीं आ रहा. You never know which one post gets the maximum view, right? So it is very essential for you to keep doing the right thing every day. Of course, I'm using the word right thing. ये भी होता आप करते रहे हो पर गलत कर रहे हो. So you need to keep doing the right thing. If you're writing a blog, you need to keep writing that blog. And now question is where to start. यार राइटिंग बहुत लोगों का नहीं होता है फॉर्टे. आई अंडरस्टैंड कि कुछ लोगों को सिर्फ पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है, दे से दे कांट राइट. फॉर देम आई सजेस्ट Quora. I think a lot of you must be knowing. So don't just read Quora, start taking answers. Whatever, आप क्रिकेट फैन हो तो start answering about cricket. आप मूवी फैन हो, मूवीज, वो तो बेसिक चीज है ना. everyone watches movie, everyone watches web series for that matter. या कोई ना कोई स्पोर्ट्स, क्रिकेट, तो आप उसके बारे में आंसर करना शुरू करो. एंड देन यू विल सी ओवर द टाइम कि you have a control over words, you know things, and then you start writing blogs. So Quora is a brilliant platform. I myself started out from Quora with my sports blog. So Quora was my first platform. So you need to start from Quora. That's very important. Or if there's an unequal platform for people who are into blogging or who are good with words. So people who are good with words, WordPress is a brilliant platform that you can use. Any questions?
Saket Agarwal, please.
Sanket, can you mute your audio? Okay, right. Thank you. Uh, so you need to start. WordPress is again a very brilliant platform that you can use, right? So start with WordPress. It helps you to connect with a lot of community there. There are very young bloggers like us. आप Instagram पे भी pages बना के you can just start writing posts there. You can start writing posts there. ठीक है, there are hundred of platforms with a social media. But one thing that I need to tell you, get your blog noticed में, be shameless. You need to be shameless with your blog at the initial. Keep sharing on Facebook, start spamming people, keep sharing on Instagram, Twitter, whatever, WhatsApp, stories, whatever you do, just don't think क्या लोग क्या सोचेंगे. भाई सोचने दो, जब जब तेरा ब्लॉग फेमस हो जाएगा तब सोचने दो क्या सोचेंगे.
Exactly.
Just be shameless. Use a lot of hashtags on Twitter and Instagram. They are the currency on Twitter, Instagram. Remember, yesterday I was in a chat session with my publisher. So उनसे भी यही बात हुई थी, तो वो also बोला कि how to start a blog. So उनको भी मैंने यही बोला, you need to be shameless in whatever you do. So it's very, very important to be shameless in whatever you do.
So, Bhaiya, we have 5 minutes, I guess. 40 minutes ka, I guess we have been to, right?
1 hour होता है ना?
Are you sure?
I don't know. I'll just quickly do it. Okay, so coming to the third part, passion to action हो गया, passion to profession हो गया, passion to action पे आते हैं. So yeah, so these are the 5 words or rather phrases I have written. So which particular activity can give you all of these 5? Well, of course हमारे उसमें भी था. I'll just do it quickly. The answer is volunteering. So yeah, if we start doing volunteering, so ठीक है, मैं बहुत 3 डिस्क्रीट चीजें के बारे में बात कर रहा था. पहले मैंने टाइम मैनेजमेंट की बात किया, हाउ डू यू मैनेज थिंग्स. देन मैंने हाउ डू यू यूज दी अभी जो फ्री टाइम है. एंड थर्ड है उसी का एक इलोंगेशन है, हाउ डू यू यूज द फ्री टाइम में वॉलंटियरिंग है. यू कैन वॉलंटियर फॉर एनीथिंग अंडर द सन. आजकल रोटरैक जैसे इन्होंने एक ऑर्गेनाइज कराया, दे कीप ऑन डूइंग एक्टिविटीज. इफ यू लुक अराउंड, इतने सारे एनजीओ, एनपीओ, कैंपेन्स, इनिशिएटिव्स हो रहे हैं, सोशल चैप्टर्स हो रहे हैं. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर our generation to volunteer, because if you're looking for a career in corporate, they of course look for IQ and EQ और जो QQ होता रहता है question, but what's most important is volunteering. Everyone has on their CV कि भाई फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड आए है, अच्छा मार्क्स लाए है, सोसाइटीज में काम किए है, क्लब्स में काम किए है, कंपटीशन जीते. दिस अ वेरी गुड CV. But what makes a good CV and a brilliant CV is that social quotient, that you have worked in a volunteering organization, you have held a position. कुछ भी होता है, there's hundreds and hundreds of organizations like Rotaract, Leos, independent organizations like Global Shapers and other. इतने सारे, I can just going, I keep on naming them, it won't end. This is something that is very close to my heart personally, because I have been into that social impact sector for I think almost like 5 years, and it just keeps me going. So just very quickly, connects, of course. I think जितने आज लोग connected अभी बहुत कम number है, but a good portion of them is people that I've connected via these social chapters that I do. Builds confidence. Trust me, while I was starting out in college in first, second year, I was the nerdiest guy you would come across. I couldn't talk on phone. I couldn't, address even a group of 4 friends. I couldn't order a food in restaurant. I was that kind of guy 4-5 years back. And through volunteering, through doing everything that I could, I gained confidence. Of course, there were failures. I was thrown out of stage. I was thrown out of interviews, and a lot of things happened. But you just gain confidence when you start doing things. 4 से 40 हुए, 40 से 400 हुए. But that's how you do, right? Physical and mental health. यार जब तुम खुद जाके ना किसी 10 गरीबों को help करोगे ना, out of that goodwill gesture, you start feeling good about yourself, that यार तुम तो अच्छा आदमी हो. ठीक है? So that is very important for us to feel good about ourselves.
But sometimes
So
वो
mental health,
वो बॉडी में एड्रेनलिन रश होता है, वो फील आता है अंदर से, the good feeling.
हाँ यार बहुत जरूरी है. That's the physical and mental health I'm talking about. It can be anything. अगर आपको चैरिटी नहीं करना, अगर आपको जैसे ये सब बाकी सोशल चैप्टर्स होते हैं जो और भी बहुत सारे काम कराते थे, ऑर्गेनाइज लॉट ऑफ दीज कॉम्पिटिशंस फॉर अंडर प्रिविलेज किड्स, दे टीच अंडर प्रिविलेज किड्स. ठीक है. So there are everything that this volunteering organization does. Just you need to find how to go about it. सेंस ऑफ पर्पस एंड टुगेदरनेस तो आई थिंक मुझे बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है. एंड पांचवा लोग नहीं जानते हैं, वॉलंटियरिंग इन इटसेल्फ इज अ वेरी इवॉल्विंग वर्ल्ड. CSR is a 40,000 crore world that we talk about in India itself. Career options बहुत है यार. There are hundreds of organizations who hire full-time people and their pay is brilliant. In fact, in the match with corporates, being from the sector, I know how things are there. And if you like volunteering, not trust me, you should try, give it a try. There are big names in there, Ashoka, Oracle, everyone is investing in this sector now, social impact sector. So definitely अभी लोग बोलते भाई अभी कैसे करें, तो यार अभी ऑफलाइन तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा कि भाई वॉरियर बन जाओ, मास्क लगाओ और बाहर चले जाओ, मैं नहीं बोलूंगा. अभी बहुत सारी ऑनलाइन वॉलंटियरिंग चल रही है. यूनाइटेड नेशंस का भी इंडिया में बहुत अच्छा वॉलंटियरिंग चल रहा है. बाकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में भी बहुत अगर ऑनलाइन वॉलंटियरिंग रन कर रहे हैं, in which you have to educate two people offline. It can be your home people made या जो आपके घर आते हैं, या anyone whom you can connect online. इसमें you have to write things for them, report writings है, और बहुत brilliant होता है. It's a good way to connect with people. My 50% of the connect today is because I volunteered for a lot of projects, right? So definitely you should give it a try. Just Google online volunteering opportunities in India and आपको मिलता जाएगा. You can just start. You need to start from somewhere and one thing lead to another. Like as Steve Jobs said, na, that you can't connect the dots looking backward. You have to connect the dots looking forward. And just believe that someday all of those dots will connect and make it a story. So it's very important to start from somewhere at least and just keep doing it. So if there's 40 minutes thing, I think we have just we are on time.
Yeah, more than 40 minutes. It's still not off.
I think it's 1 hour. I told you, it's 59 minutes.
Actually,
so
like हमारा morning
class
इतना nice नहीं बोल रहे.
अच्छा ठीक है यार, not an issue. Do you have an idea on how to handle stress? Yaar, everyone in this world faces stress. It's very very clear, very basic, and कोई बड़ा बात नहीं है that to feel like that way. क्या इसके बाद यार, एक सेकंड, थैंक यू. ये सो एक बार देख लो, बहुत छोटा सा सेशन था, मैं बोला था मैं पकाऊंगा नहीं आप लोगों को, ठीक है. सो डाउट टूटे पूछ लेना, होना नहीं चाहिए, कुछ ऐसा बताया नहीं उससे डाउट हो. अगर कुछ पर्सनल क्वेरीज है, पर्सनल इश्यूज है, सजेशन है आप लोग को, तो जस्ट फील फ्री टू रीच आउट टू मी. ट्रस्ट मी, मतलब यू कैन आस्क पीपल हु नो मी हियर दैट आई एम वेरी अप्रोचेबल.
लाइक भैया आप
यार आई बोलो एक सेकंड, आई जस्ट आंसर शुभम्स क्वेश्चन दैट हाउ डू यू हैंडल स्ट्रेस. Yet stress is something that just even the most wisest of the person in this world is not free from. Everyone has a stress. कुछ लोग दिखाते नहीं हैं, कुछ लोग दिखा देते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. So the best way to handle the stress is जिस चीज से आपको स्ट्रेस हो रहा है ना, उससे एक बार साइड हो जाओ. That's the best way. If you are facing stress कि यार इतना काम कौन देता है, या वर्क किलिंग, आई टेल यू समथिंग. जनरली वी एज ह्यूमन बीइंग, स्पेशली ये हमारे नॉर्थ इंडिया में बहुत ज्यादा है कि वी डोंट नो वेयर टू डिपार्टमेंटलाइज आवर वर्क. ठीक है, वी स्टार्ट गिविंग 50 and 16 17 80 and next thing we know our good part of our day is going into our work. Trust me, you're not getting paid for your 80% of work. You're getting paid only for 50%. They expect you to work only 11 to 6. वो तो बोले तो मैंने तो आपको टाइम नहीं दिया, आप रात में 10 बजे तक काम करें, that is not my concern, right? So sometimes it's good to be mediocre when you're working. Be mediocre, but that does not mean be mediocre in your approach in your career. Mediocre in short run and excellent in long run. You have to be that way. So अगर ऑफिस 6 बजे 7 बजे छोड़ना तो 7 बजे ही छोड़ो. Don't do that until unless there's a personal thing that you need to complete and a personal target you have to meet. But अगर 7 बजे तो 7 बजे, कितने लोग ओवर कमिट करते हैं और फिर बोलते हैं लाइफ क्या लाइफ हो गया, सिर्फ वर्क हो रहा है. डोंट कंप्लेन, ओके, जस्ट फाइंड अ सॉल्यूशन. कुछ लोग होते हैं पढ़ाई का स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, भाई अगर ये प्रॉब्लम मेरे साथ भी है, मैं भी कितना बार बोलता हूँ कि यार पढ़ाई का स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, द बेस्ट वे टू हैंडल दैट इज इधर चेंज द सब्जेक्ट. आप जो पढ़ रहे हो दूसरा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ो, वॉच अ वीडियो अबाउट दैट सब्जेक्ट, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग चीज. थोड़ा सा समटाइम्स क्या होता है ना कि देखते देखते बोर हो जाते हैं, तो ऑडियो विजुअल चीज से खुल जाता है. और टेक अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग एंड गो वॉच नेटफ्लिक्स और प्राइम. ठीक है, दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग टू डू. बट you should know where to stop. बहुत जरूरी है. हम शुरू तो करते हैं 10 मिनट बोल के, पता चलता है next thing you know we are into it for 2 hours. So that's the way. You need to qualify क्या चीज का स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, बहुत जरूरी है. लाइफ स्ट्रेस, अगर इमोशनल स्ट्रेस है, पर्सनल स्ट्रेस है, तो dude you need to seriously ask, is it worth my effort and time and my emotion? So ये बहुत जरूरी है. कितना बार लोग अपनी लाइफ के चॉइसेस की वजह से स्ट्रेस होते हैं कि why did I do it, why did I get into it, पहले ही छोड़ देना था. So यार ये regretful stress बहुत गंदा होता है लाइफ में. So it's never too late to shuffle. If you want to be in it just for the sake of doing it, then don't do it. Trust me, it's not worth your time and effort. uh, but वही है, it's never too late to shuffle, get into something better. या short term breaks works the best. कि कितना बार होता है कि just get so overburdened that we lose our ability to think, and we just want to, एक second, I'll just stop sharing it. Yeah, so it's short, take a short term break. I think that's the best thing. Yeah, any other questions? कुछ है तो आप पूछ सकते हो.
नहीं, लाइक भाई आप ऐसा कुछ सजेस्ट कर सकते हो, लाइक व्हाट टू, कहाँ पे अपना टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहिए इस टाइम पीरियड में, बिकॉज अभी लॉकडाउन का टाइम, राइट? सो एवरीवन हैज टू स्टे इंडोर्स. सो
हाँ,
लोगों को कहाँ इस टाइम पीरियड में अपना टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहिए जहाँ पे प्रोडक्टिविटी काफी अच्छा हो विदाउट स्ट्रेसिंग देमसेल्फ?
यार अभी बेस्ट थिंग्स टू डू इज, यार as I said, blogging, क्योंकि अभी you can't do much of an activity taking help of other people, right? So the working on a particular skill is good. Why I'm saying blogging or writing per se is anything you do in life, you have to document it, right? Even starts from email to resume to reports to research papers. Anything you do, you have to write. And good with construction, if you're good with writing, trust me, it's a boon. So it's very important to have a good writing skill, not a very good, but a legible writing skill. And trust me, blogging helps it. I don't want you to be the best of bloggers at Times of India का article ही लिख लो, वैसा नहीं बनना. But जैसे मैं बोला ना, कोरा से शुरू करो. So once you see that people like you and me are writing answers and getting reach, we also feel कि 10 आंसर पढ़ने के बाद I can also write something. You research your answer and then you write. 1 से 2, 2 से 4, 4 से 8, and you'll see next one day, yeah, okay, I'm taking answers and people are asking me answers and I have to answer them. So वो चीज से ना एक inculcate होता है, sense of writing and sense of creating articles come in. So बहुत जरूरी है वो चीज हो. That's one. Second is what they can do अभी is, a friend of mine, a good friend of mine again, she is trying to learn a foreign language. Again, a brilliant thing you can do. While I was on a break, जब boards के बाद I still remember जब मुझे हमें time मिला था, तो I was learning Spanish. अभी you can learn online, you can take up a course also, you can learn online also. मैं खुद से कर रहा था कोशिश. There's a world is a host of information that you can do. You can take up a lot of these courses that these guys did. Harvard बहुत अच्छा online courses देता है, 2 से 4 हफ्ते का. Acumen देता है, वो आप कर लो. नहीं तो फिर Coursera और Udemy तो best है ही. You can do this for 15 to 20 days courses also. That's also. And नहीं कुछ होता ना तो let it be, just chill. ठीक है, मतलब स्ट्रेस करने का जरूरत नहीं है कि यार इतना 20, 25, 30 दिन मिला कुछ नहीं कर रहे. Just do one thing, let's do one thing, right? जो नाम हमने बोला, कोई भी एक चीज करो and just be happy about it. वो 1 साल से जितना वॉच लिस्ट में मूवीज पड़ा था वो देख लो, या जितने यूट्यूब के वीडियोस बचे रिकमेंडेशंस के वो देख लो. प्राइम का अगर सब्सक्रिप्शन खत्म हो रहा है तो वो खत्म कर लो, प्राइम के पैसे वसूल लो, नेटफ्लिक्स से पैसे वसूल लो. इट्स ओके यार, डोंट स्ट्रेस, बट जस्ट डू वन थिंग.
बहुत ऐप है भैया जो टाइटल है.
हाँ, राइट, एक चीज पर राइट करो. इट्स वेरी नेसेसरी, एटलीस्ट वन थिंग. It can be start writing a blog or start downloading that Quora and reading it, या कुछ भी एक चीज बहुत जरूरी है. बिकॉज that 1% thing मेरे लिए बहुत काम करता है. बहुत जरूरी है you do that 1% thing. Because अगर आप एक शुरू करो, आप Quora डाउनलोड करोगे ना, आपको लगेगा पढ़ने में मजा आ रहा है, लिखने में मजा आ रहा है, then you will download bloggers or WordPress, then you will download other things. So वैसे ही शुरू होता है. एक दिन में I don't expect you to be a best blogger or good blogger, but you need to start from somewhere, right? So start, and of course starting के साथ वो क्वेश्चन भी आता है कि don't give up.
Yes.
ये भी बहुत जरूरी है कि like lot of us,
कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन रखना.
हाँ जी. Let's see, I cannot see वो वाला chat box. तो कोई question है तो बता दो. I think नहीं है, आ गया. Any other question guys, so you can ask. मोहित तुमको कुछ है तो तुम पूछ लो. So I just wanted to keep it as short as 1942. So yeah, 30-35 minutes का मैं बोला था. So it's good that we are on time. शुरू करो. It's just that thing that you need to start one thing right. That's very essential. Blogging seems like a great way to express creativity. Yeah, blogging is a great way to express not only creativity, everything, your thinking process, your way of research, सब चीज. Blogging is a great way for everything that you do in your curricular activities. And trust me, like आज भी मैं ना पुराना ब्लॉग्स पढ़ता हूँ ना, जो मैं बहुत 3-4 साल पहले लिखा था. I laugh, but then I realize this is how far I have come because I kept going. I kept on writing. You guys won't believe, मेरे को लाइफ में 4 इंटर्नशिप मिला है थ्रू ब्लॉगिंग for content writing, content creation. And I was hired by Oyo Rooms in 2017 for as an intern. I was hired in a marketing intern, but just because of my blogging skill, they pulled me in the content creation team. And जो आप देखते हो ना सर, if you have a blog site, you can link for the reference. यार मेरा blog site मत करो यार अब. वो अब तो कुछ भी डालता हूँ. मेरा स्पोर्ट्स ब्लॉग है, बट अगेन आई हैवंट अपडेटेड फ्रॉम अ लॉन्ग टाइम. सो स्पोर्ट्स ब्लॉग देख लो, गूगल कर लो श्रेयस भजोरिया ब्लॉग, मेरा लुमिनरी मिलेगा. तो उस पर आई यूज्ड टू राइट अ लॉट ऑफ लिटरेरी थिंग्स, बट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ माय बुक कॉपीराइट इश्यूज कुछ आर्टिकल्स आई हैड टू टेक इट डाउन. There would be a good 50-60 articles वहाँ पे, पोएम, प्रोज, पोएट्री, ऑनलाइनर सब मिलेंगे. एंड उसी का एक और सिस्टर साइट है लेट्स टॉक गेम, जो स्पोर्ट्स साइट है, उसमें आराम से 150-200 आर्टिकल मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है. फिर मीडियम पे भी मेरे 3-4 आर्टिकल्स है ऑन एंड देयर ऑन इकोनॉमिक रिव्यूज किया है मैंने, मनरेगा पे किया है, इकोनॉमी किया है. सो गूगल कर लो, मतलब गूगल में बहुत सारी चीजें मिल जाएगी. अकेडमिया पे पेपर्स मिल जाएंगे मेरे कुछ. सो यू गेट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स देयर. तो हाँ यार ठीक है, बट अगेन इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्टार्ट. एंड ब्लॉगिंग इज जो क्रिएटिविटी यार हर चीज सिखाता है. इवन यू हैव टू राइट आंसर्स इन योर पेपर, लाइक वी आर मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट्स. आई डोंट नो बाकी लोग और भी होंगे कोई ना कोई रिलेटेड फील्ड से. वी हैव टू राइट आंसर्स, राइट? एंड इट्स वेरी नेसेसरी फॉर अस टू नो हाउ टू राइट. एंड ब्लॉगिंग से बहुत हेल्प होता है. एंड इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू टर्न योर पैशन इनटू एक्शन एंड प्रोफेशन, एज आई से. ठीक है, अगर उस ब्लॉगिंग की वजह से मुझे इंटर्नशिप मिल रहा है, मुझे 4 रुपया ही मिल रहा है, तो अच्छा ही बात है ना यार. सो आई वाज हायर्ड बाय स्कॉट्रैक बिकॉज उनका इंटरव्यू बहुत फनी था. उन्होंने ना मुझे मेल किया, suddenly they saw my blog somewhere and they asked me ki, are you interested in content editing internship? I said of course sir, I would be honored to. And then they had sent me an interview call हुआ. तो just they asked me a couple of things that we read this article, how it is about, what is about, and खत्म. कुछ नहीं पूछा क्या करते हो, कौन से कॉलेज के हो, कुछ नहीं. मैं रिज्यूमे मंगा लिया उन्होंने, हो गया खत्म. एंड आई वाज ऑफर्ड एन गिवन ऑफर लेटर. एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम, एक साल बाद अगेन I got a call कि Suresh Bajoria speaking and stuff. So like yeah sir, tell me. So again we have come across a blog, are you interested in working with us? So this is the power of words, this is the power of blogging. It's very necessary for you to start and start writing. And you never know where it lands. Good friends of mine, a lot of friends are working in content creation company. एक sports fanatic था, football fanatic, he's working with Sportskira. A friend of mine is working in media department where she writes article. I can just go on about people and friends who are placed in these companies because they could write and in the genre they love. ठीक है, अगर आपको मूवीज में लिखना अच्छा लगता है कोई बड़ा बात नहीं भाई, इतने सारे हैं. स्पॉट बॉय है, और मुझे तो याद बॉलीवुड हंगामा है. These guys hire movie critics. They pay you to write for a movie. आप बैठ के मूवी देखो फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो, उसके बारे में लिखो. They pay you. So यार इट्स द बेस्ट जॉब, राइट? आप फुटबॉल मैच देखो रात में, आप उसके बारे में लिखो. So that's the thing these guys pay you. Just you have to be, just be good about it. Just be good in your approach, and वो good और better और best आएगा if you start now. So because एक साल बाद when you realize यार 45 दिन का लॉकडाउन था, क्या किया मैंने? एटलीस्ट मैंने ब्लॉग तो बना के शुरू किया, ये होगा. just do one thing right. ठीक है, that's the power of blogging. Blogging has a very huge world. It entails everything. कोई लैंग्वेज सीख रहे हो, बहुत अच्छा बात, आप लैंग्वेज सीख लो, but don't have that regret 1 year later कि अगर इतना इतना अच्छा टाइम मिला, you couldn't do anything. एक चीज करो और बाकी टाइम चिल मारो. I understand our generation understands the language of chilling. It's very important. ठीक है, कोई भी एक चीज करो but chill मारो. And I personally recommend blogging of anything you love. वेब सीरीज, अभी मनी हाइस्ट आया है, तो यू कैन राइट अबाउट मनी हाइस्ट. राइट, प्रोफेसर के बारे में लिख लो यार, that how over the 4 season they have developed his character, और ये सब, that how you can relate if money heist to कुछ फैन फिक्शंस बहुत होते हैं यार, अगर मनी हाइस्ट इंडिया में होता है स्पेन की जगह नहीं तो. So these are the things. I haven't watched the single episode of Money Heist. मुझे पता है because क्योंकि मैंने पढ़ा कोई लोगों को लिखते हुए. So now that's the power of blogging I'm talking about. You can write down anything. It's very important. And आप करते जाओगे ना, then you'll realize कि after college, after all the assignments and classes, आपको मन करेगा लिखने का. And that is where the time management part comes in. ठीक है, कि the third thing I talked about ना, कि your interest, your passion. Is it your passion? Is it your interest? So वो चीज आता है. And I think that's about it. बाकी कोई चीजें हैं तो पूछ लेना मोहित या मुझसे. Always available. My email address मैंने लिख दिया था, वापस डाल देता हूँ.
If anyone have any questions, please feel free to ask.
हाँ जी, जरूर. नहीं भी है तो कोई बात नहीं यार, it's okay. You can reach out to me in case you need any assistance, guidance.
I think everyone have his email ID, or you can contact him directly.
Yeah, most of them knows me also, I think.
Yeah.
It was glad you guys joined in. Thank you so much. Next time we need to market it better.
Yes. So yeah. Anyways, let's wind it up, bhaiya. So thank you all.
One second. Right. Anji.
So yeah. Thank you all. Thank you for joining.
I think so much for joining.
It was great for me to know all these things about how to time, like manage करना volunteering and things and all. So फिर कभी हम लोग करेंगे भैया next time. फिर coming sessions में.
हाँ यार, sure. अभी एक बार when these things settle down, we can have a 1-to-1 session in college also.
Yes.
ठीक है, तो ज़्यादा better होगा. So yeah, send me this video link also. We can see. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone
for making us know the value of time. Thank you.
Anyways, take care. Be safe. Stay indoors.
And very important, guys. Very important. Be safe. बहुत जरूरी है. और
safe के साथ it's increasing.
We are privileged people. At least जितना हो सकता है, let's try helping the needy. ठीक है, हम लोग we don't realize how privileged we are, but we have a roof, we have food to eat 3 times, and we have better cool cozy places to live. We are privileged. Let's use this privilege, and जितना होता है let's help the needy. ठीक है, जरूर. मैं नहीं बोल रहा यार again warrior बन के बाहर निकल जाओ,
but don't hesitate to contribute.
हाँ जी, बहुत जरूरी है. Contributing the right sources बहुत जरूरी है. ये लोकल एनजीओ और ये जो कर रहे हैं इनिशिएटिव, चेक कर लो सही काम कर रहे हैं, उनको दो, वो ज्यादा जरूरी है बिकॉज दे आर डूइंग एट द ग्राउंड लेवल. कैलकाटा में बहुत अच्छे अच्छे इनिशिएटिव चल रहे हैं, उनको दे दो. ठीक है, इफ यू जस्ट सी बिकॉज द सेंट्रल एंड स्टेट फंड, आई एम नॉट सजेस्टिंग डोंट डू इट, बट उनका यू नेवर नो वेयर द मनी ट्रिकल्स डाउन, कब आता है क्या पता नहीं पता. ठीक है, so we can do this to small NGOs, initiatives, campaigns जो चल रहे हैं, ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. And yeah, that's about it. Anything, feel free to reach out. And it was great talking. Thank you, Mohit.
Thank you to you also here. So take care everyone. We'll see you sometime next time. So bye bye.